Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2018 Honda CR-V. The non-LED headlights, such as the headlight and the high beam, are accessible by simply reaching behind the bulb housing. No tools will be required to change these bulbs. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a rather straightforward procedure. The clear on-screen instructions and the easily accessible selector dial will make for a hassle-free connection process. The engine air filter is in the driver's side of the engine bay. The fasteners that secure the housing disengage without the use of tools, allowing you to easily lift the cover and remove the filter. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. For access to the taillights in the main rear housing, the entire bulb housing must be taken out. This will require an 8mm socket as well as a bit of force to remove. You'll need to use both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers to disengage a panel from underneath the vehicle for access to the oil drain plug and the oil filter. This will require you to work upside down to remove this bulky panel, which will impede a quicker oil change. This vehicle does not come provided with a dipstick for the transmission fluid, but rather just a cap positioned deep in the engine bay. You will have to make a long and cramped reach to remove this cap, and you must take this vehicle into a dealership in order to actually check the fluid level. Overall, the 2018 Honda CR-V is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain, but prospective owners should still be prepared for a handful of complicated procedures.